Hi everyone, it's Dr. Dave, and if you've been following me, you know I am obsessed with food labels. So I came across a product that was surprisingly labeled as carb friendly. You can see it here yourself. So carb friendly, well, must be good for you, right? Well, not so fast. So I took out my trusty magnifying glass and I took a further look. And what I found, to my amazement, is this carb-friendly mix isn't so friendly. In fact, I would argue it's unfriendly. Why? Because it's full of sugar. How do we know? Well, we look at the servings, and this container has 17 servings, and per serving, there is 6 grams of sugars. And by the way, 4 of those grams are added sugars. Why are we adding sugar to a carb-friendly product? I don't know what's going on here. All right, so let's do some basic calculation, okay? So if you guys all remember, 4 grams of sugar is equal to 1 teaspoon of sugar, right? So a way of looking at this is you take the servings, which is 17, and you multiply it by the grams of sugar per serving is 6. So that's 104 grams of sugar. Yeah, you heard me right. 104 grams of sugar. Can anybody say Twix bar? Well, just to put into perspective, how many teaspoons? Well, 104 divided by 4 grams, because 4 grams is 1 teaspoon, is 25.5 teaspoons of sugar in our carb-friendly food product. Okay, everybody, check your labels. Until next time, this is Dr. Dave.